thutha wa President William Ruto kuga nyumba cierĩ cia icirĩro nĩkuo kĩmamo kĩa ungumania, ndereti ĩrĩa ĩhiũhĩtie ũrugarĩ wa mbara ya ungumania. Komishona ya mĩtugo na kũhũrana na ungumania EACC ĩrauga nĩyoereire ũhoro ũyũ.
We will do our investigation. We have previously talked with the speakers because we find allegations, complaints actually, from various government leaders, parastatal leaders, CEOs, accounting officers of different organizations, MDS, on being extorted by the parliamentarians. And this is a matter that we have actually talked with the speakers about to just see how do we go about this, because it can only be dealt with decisively within parliament.
EACC marauga ni gukoretwo na makaya maingĩ magĩkuruhania mbunge na ungumania na gwĩtia mahaki.
Actually doing active investigations on various individuals, and as and when that kind of information is available, we'll share with members of the public, or you will see the consequences in the various levels of the legal system. Yes.
EACC ĩkĩonekana gwĩtigĩra riri ũrĩa ũkoragwo humbĩtwo mbunge, ĩrauga no inyitirwo geni kuo nĩ ũtongoria wa cikaro icio.
Now, Parliament is a privileged space, and therefore we would not just go in there and start our investigation, and that's why the importance of engagement with the leaders of that institution, so that we would know exactly which direction to take.
Ona thengia ya gũkorwo mĩario ya gĩconoko kĩa ungumania mbunge-inĩ ĩtemanĩtio nĩ President, EACC marauga marakua mĩario ĩno o ta mũhuhu.
We still treat it as allegations because until we have done our investigations and found concrete evidence, it is still treated as allegations. So this is a matter that we want to engage further with the speakers and the chairs of the various committees so that we can see what can be done to mitigate this particular practice.
Rĩu maitho mothe marĩ kũrĩ kamĩtĩ ĩno ya EACC kuona kana nĩmekuoera ikinya rĩa kĩwatho kũrĩ ambunge arĩa othe matabanagia ciĩko cia ungumania thĩinĩ wa mbunge. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwerũ wa Njuguna.